Wisdom, one plumber. Replacing a tank to bowl screw for a water closet toilet. Alright, so here's the new pair that I'm going to be putting in now. Alright, so I'm going to show you when they are installed. So before, they will be going into these holes there. Also, this is a brand new spud rubber that was replaced due to a leak. Alright, so just install the tank back onto the bowl. So the spud rubber is now in place. Also secure the tank to bowl screw. So just inspecting for leaks, and once I have inspected for leaks and there's no leaks, the job is completed. So the process is simple. I would have tightened the wing nuts so that enough tension is on the spud rubber. Then we're able to check the leveling of the tank. So it's perfectly leveled. Now I'm going to be checking for leaks. So check for leaks. So just going to be flushing the tank. And just to see if there's any water running. There's no water running, as I'm not seeing any water running. It pretty much means that we would have effectively completed fixing the leak, which is changing the spud rubber and also replacing a rusty tank to bowl screw. All right. Thanks for watching again. Thumbs up, share, subscribe. One love.